guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a new makeup tutorial, and today I'll be using the new Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation and concealer. I'll be sharing my thoughts on it, and I'll be using this gorgeous eyeshadow palette by Ditto Cosmetics. I've been using Ditto Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes on my clients all week and I love it, so I'm so happy that I got to use their eyeshadow on myself. So I did use the Sunshine Shade palette, which is gorgeous. This is what it looks like. I mean, come on now. This is their Saturn shade palette, which looks like this. This is their Eco Earth shade palette, looks like this. And this is their Galaxy shade palette, which looks like this. I am definitely going to be doing tutorials using the other palettes because I mean they're just too gorgeous not to. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So we are going to be putting the new Urban Decay Stay Naked collection to use. For the foundation I did choose 30 NN, and for the concealer I chose 20 NN because it's like brand new and I wasn't able to like swatch anything myself. I had to kind of just eyeball everything online and just choose. Ooh, look at this. Look at the applicator. That's pretty cool. Kind of like bent a little bit. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna start with the concealer first. I'm gonna carve out my brows with this and see how it goes. It's pretty light. Urban Decay Summer Solstice. Alright, so just off bat, this concealer is literally white. Oh, this is so white. Like, this is crazy. For the top of my brows, I'm gonna go in with the foundation because this concealer is just too white. It's literally like an eye base. I'm not even about to struggle with trying to blend this out by putting it on top of my brow. So I'm gonna go in with the foundation. Now, I will say this is a really cool bottle. Like, this is a really cool design. This is what the foundation is looking like. It's really runny, the foundation, so I'm gonna be careful when like carving out the top of my brows with this. I am now going to apply the foundation. I'm afraid it might be a little bit too light for me. So I see now, like, I'm not a fan of the shade. I need something a bit more yellow, but I'm not feeling like a super fan of this foundation. I wanted so badly to love it and to rave about it, but I don't feel like I can. Let me try a different technique and I just try to apply it with a damp sponge instead. See if that works out better for me. Okay. I had to turn off the camera and go look at this in my bathroom where the lighting is just like a little bit different, and it's cool. I don't mind it. It actually looks pretty similar to my skin tone, so it's not bad. I'm just used to wearing warmer foundations, I guess, but it's not bad. So for concealer, because this is like way too light, it's literally white, I'm gonna go in with my Camo concealer first in medium beige, and then I'm just gonna put like, girl. So far, I am really actually feeling this. I think in this like white lighting that I film with, I feel like it's washing me out on the monitor, but literally in person, it's actually not bad at all. My skin actually looks really good. So now I'm just gonna speed up the rest of this. We're gonna do the contour. They did send over the Naked Fixed. I ordered the 30 neutral like I did for my liquid foundation, and you really aren't supposed to do that because the powders tend to be so much lighter than the liquid foundations themselves. I don't know. I'm gonna try to bake with it instead, see how this works out. Which is weird because it's foundation, but it's so light. It's like, what else? Why not? But do you see how light this is? This is crazy, right? I'm not gonna let it bake long either. I'm gonna dust this off like right away. Alright, this concealer is like all crusty and dusty on my lids, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow anyway. And I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow palettes from Ditto. I'm gonna show you guys all of these because they are amazing and just cosmic. These shadows are so pigmented. It is insane. While my lash dries, I'm gonna go in with my lip liner. And I didn't like perfect the eyeliner on my eyelid like I normally would because I kind of like the grungy type of effect it's given off. And I'm gonna finish off with my MAC See Me Hear Me blush, because you guys know this is my favorite. Alright, so my final thoughts on the Urban Decay Stay Naked collection. My thoughts on the foundation, when I initially put it on, I was not a fan, but I think it more so had to do with the color of the foundation more than anything. I think the shade that I have, I can work with it, but I would prefer something a little darker, but overall, the foundation is nice. I can't even complain about it. The concealer is incredibly light, so I did have to mix it, but overall, the coverage itself, it's nice. I just need to get my correct color. As far as the powder, I can't really place much judgment on the powder because it's way too light. I got the wrong shade. Ultimately, I ended up having to like highlight and bake with it, which isn't really fair. So overall, my thoughts on the collection, the packaging is cool in my opinion. The products, honestly, they didn't wow me like I expected them to. So I would say purchase at your own risk. Urban Decay is sold in Ulta and Sephora's nationwide. So instead of ordering online like I did, I would definitely visit your local Sephora, visit your local Ulta. If you can, definitely to test to see what shade would be the best fit for you, and kind of go from there, because the products aren't bad at all. It's just that I did a poor job at picking my shades. I had no choice because I'm an influencer and the products weren't on the market yet at the time, so I had no choice but to order online. But yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Also, my birthday's coming up, New Year's Eve. Yes, December 31st is my birthday. So if you have any ideas as far as what I can do, definitely drop it down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.